So we've been given a real condo for a real client with real budget, and me and my team are gonna work on that. So as you can see, the space is really small, and this is a real challenge for us. And in the weeks to come, you're gonna see the result.
With our client's intent to rent out the condo fully furnished, it was important to select items that were functional and durable. Having the furniture provide storage and ensuring the materials and fabrics are hard-wearing were key. It was also important that the furniture and accessory choices were neutral enough for the space to appeal to everyone. Based on their budget, everything was sourced from Structube, West Elm, IKEA, and Bouclair.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh wow, look at this. It just looks so cozy.
Yeah. Same with the plant, that can go inside outside as well. And then all of the pieces of furniture that we've incorporated into the space all provide a lot of storage, which is important when you're working with, what was it, 450 square
Yeah,
feet?
it's tiny to be fine.
Yeah, this is perfect.
And actually the bed is storage as well, yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah. So the mattress will flip up and then there's total storage underneath.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
There's storage under here, Dante.
That's brilliant actually.
What do you think, Johnny?
You
Yeah?
like it? Want to sleep over here?
No.
No? I love the colors. I'm really thrilled, you guys. This is looking really amazing. So nice. I just love this. I think I'm gonna take this part home. That's phase 2. We're going to your house. Yeah, I'm really fine. Look at this. Look at this. Is this like
That's a shoe rack.
Brilliant. Look at this, Dante. It's a shoe rack. Love this. Oh, guys, this is amazing. Love it. Love it.
Good. Okay, we have a couple more questions for you, if that's okay.
Yep.
So what would you say, now having walked around the space, is the overall mood or vibe that you get from the space?
Warm and welcoming, I think. Yeah, really welcoming. It's you just want to kind of sit down with a book and
Yeah.
a cup of tea.
Totally.
Yeah.
Well, I feel like it was a learning experience. One thing is to do it in a paper and just like design and think of the furniture, and another completely different thing is having to go out there, buy the furniture, find the furniture, work with the team, because usually we're working alone. And it's like, okay, it's my thoughts, my opinion, but now it's like you actually have to communicate and come together as one. And being able to like put everything together and actually seeing the result, and as well like working with a real life client and getting that opportunity, I feel like it was like a big learning opportunity, and I think I'll always remember this.
That's great.
I would say the same thing because it's the first time that I'm doing a real live plant staging, and I learned so much from it. And I didn't know that behind it there was so much to do. Like there's a lot of things, and it's very interesting. Like all the process. The process is really interesting until you get there, and then like you look back and you see the result. The end result is very satisfying.
So I think to be like a great designer, interior designer, teamwork is one of the most important aspects for like a designer. Through this project, I think it's really good experience for us to get together and work together and put ourselves together, and then knowing more about group work and teamworks.
There's so much going through my mind right now. It was 100% an experience I'll forever be grateful for, because I've never worked with a real life client or a team, and I think I've built friendships throughout this team that I didn't even consider before. Like, it's just, I don't know how to put that into words, but that's number one. Number two is putting the space together for me. It was hard to visualize for me too, because like, it's so small, like how are we gonna do this? But like all of our ideas were excellent. They all came together. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and it's just incredible.
And it doesn't feel like a small space now.
No,
like, now
it's
it feels
huge.
like a really great space. Yeah. I think it's nice to be able to speak to the entire process. Like, it's one thing to learn how to do things on paper and another to sort of execute them. And like, we did run into little glitches. So for example, like we were waiting for a sofa to come in, that delayed things, that delayed our timeline. So like having these real life experiences sort of sets us up for what to expect moving forward, which is nice.
Throughout like the whole program, like we've been doing a lot of process work with our projects, and a lot of time I was like, why do we need like to work with all this process to get to like the final thing? And I think coming in like I was like, wow, like we actually need all of this like process work.
Yeah.
So how do you feel about what we preach in the classroom now, Maureen?
It's necessary.
Yeah.
It's necessary.
Yes, it's always right. Okay, awesome. Give yourselves a round of applause.